Hey guys, so this video is about the problems caused by an improper install of the Pertronix Ignitor type mag pickup, and then the proper reinstall of the Pertronix Ignitor. And the reinstall includes the newer Ignitor II. Supposed to be a little bit of a step up. Anyway, step by step, I'll take you through it. Alright, so this one's a bit unusual. After I finished replacing the heater core, it just wouldn't start. And this has always been a good starting engine. Couldn't figure it out. First thing I looked for was spark. Well, let's see if we have spark. Plenty of spark, no hesitation. Fuel, plenty of fuel. You can see it's still coming out there. Yeah, just can't figure it out. The only thing I can figure is something in the carburetor broke, not working right. So we're gonna take it off, take a peek, maybe even get a new one. I don't know. But yeah, got spark, got fuel, and it still won't start. So even though I had spark and fuel, at first I thought it had something to do with the carburetor, so I put in a new valve and seat, and the old carburetor, adjusted the floats, and just to be double sure, I wound up buying a factory rebuilt carburetor. Still no go. For the spark, well, I definitely saw a spark. Maybe it wasn't quite enough, or bad cables, who knows. So new coil, new spark plug wires, still wouldn't go. So I said, it must be something to do with the distributor, although that's really locked into the cam. Not sure how that is possible, but I looked at it. So took the distributor cap off. Confirming we have contactless ignition, so we don't have to worry about points being worn out or anything. And it's got a Pertronix Ignitor magnetic pickup, which should be just foolproof. However, going through the instructions, there's one thing that's clear. You're supposed to make a little pathway in the distributor cap for these wires to exit. And this distributor cap does not have that notch that's required to get the wires out. So, surmise that right here, we're probably crimping down on the wires and either weaken the wires so they just couldn't get a full spark, or I'm not sure what. In any case, we're going to do a couple things. We're going to replace the mag pickup with in-kind, the same one. Actually upgraded. This is an Ignitor, so we'll use the Ignitor II. And we're going to make a notch in the distributor cap for the wires to exit safely. And since we don't want to screw up our one and only distributor cap, I got another distributor cap, and we'll work on that one. So if we screw it up, we still have a good one. Alright, here's the notch that I created. That should be just about the right size, work out. Alright, here you can see the old and the new are in fact the same. Do a little bit of job lining it up, but yeah, one will just sit right on top of the other. There's no need to change the plates here, they're identical, and this will just fit right on top. Okay, we put in a new ground wire with and installed it underneath the plate screw, and it's all secure now. New magnet sleeve in place. Okay, we have the igniter loosely tied down with the two nuts, and now we'll use this feeler gauge to get that gap just right. It 30 thousandths, and tighten the nuts. All right, looks just about right. Should be good. We have the rubber grommet located in the slot in the metal backing plate, and it's also lined up with the notch we put into the distributor cap, so we should be good to go. The wires are not touching anything, it's moving, so yeah, we should be good. There's the rotor. Now we'll put on the distributor cap. There, you can see that notch lines up just about right with the rubber grommet sticking out. Transition all the spark plug wires from the old distributor cap onto the new one with the notch. Okay, with the new igniter in there, fires right up. Even idle's fine, and that's even with the old carburetor. So our little rebuild seems to work just fine. We'll be putting the air filter back on in a little bit. Of course, there's the new distributor cap with the notch. Everything working good. Oh yeah. Another successful project, finally. What a long haul this one was. So here you can see where the old wires were definitely crushed. In putting that notch in a distributor cap should make a huge difference. So what I think happened is when I replaced the heater hoses, I must have touched the wires coming out of the distributor and moved them a little bit, just enough to dislocate the damaged wires to where it wouldn't start. The strange thing is I was seeing spark, and so how it affected timing and why it didn't start, really don't know for sure. What's really strange is the engine ran fine for years, and it's only that dislocating the wire a little bit that set things amiss. Anyway, all good now, and I'm a happy camper. Till next time.